Hey everyone, long time no see. It's Lily or CoolRiceBunnies and I'm back with another keyboard review. This is the GamaKay TK75 Hall Effect keyboard. This was sent to me for a review, but the video is not sponsored, and like always, all thoughts and opinions are my own. This is a 75% layout with 78 keys, and at this time of the review, it is being sold for $89.99. It comes with function keys, arrow keys, and a silver volume knob. Inside the box is your standard manual, plus a USB-C cable, and a switch and keycap puller. The keycaps are cherry profile, double shot, PBT, and look and feel very nice. They actually look just like another board I recently purchased, right down to the silver knob. On the back are 4 rubber/silicone pads, and the keyboard can be adjusted at 3 different heights for a comfortable typing experience. The keyboard has tri-mode connection, so here you'll find the 2.4G wireless receiver along with the switch on the back to turn on wireless or Bluetooth mode. Or you can plug in the USB-C cable on the left side. This keyboard has full RGB with many different settings, and you can also further customize the light effects with the software the keyboard comes with. Something new to the software is the ability to upload your own lighting settings and download others as well. The build of the keyboard is mostly plastic and sounds a little hollow, but feels solid with no flex. I think the stabilizers could use some modding because there is a bit of rattle on the spacebar and no lube, it seems. The GamaKay TK75 HE is hot-swappable, has south-facing LEDs, and comes with 2 options for pre-lubed switches. I went with the magnetic Mercury switch, which are linears, but others can purchase it with the magnetic Phoenix switches, which are silent. The switches and PCB are what set this keyboard apart from others. Hall Effect technology uses magnets in the switches to activate keystrokes. So instead of the traditional mechanics of stems and leaves needing physical touch points, these switches are able to have adjustable travel distances, rapid trigger response, longer durability, and a smoother typing experience. I would personally show you the inside of these switches, but I realized I was not able to open them with my switch opener. I thought this was odd and a bit inconvenient. I also didn't like how the PCB has no holes for pins whatsoever because other magnetic switches on the market have pins. So this is really going to limit the kind of switches you can opt for with this board. But I guess this is because magnetic switches are still fairly new-ish to the market and haven't been standardized yet. I've been using this keyboard for about a week and I can say I definitely like it. The switches feel smooth and it's been nice for work and also gaming. The software is intuitive, and in here you can do a lot of customizations in terms of actuation points, setting dead zones, and different key configurations for whatever scenario you're using your keyboard for. I know Hall Effect keyboards are especially nice for people who play FPS games or any video game really that requires fast reaction times. As a stock keyboard right out of the box, I think it's a good build, and the Hall Effect technology is a definite plus. However, if you don't care for magnetic switches or things like rapid trigger and adjustable travel distances, you can definitely buy better sounding and feeling keyboards at this price point. I'm interested to see what other companies will continue to produce magnetic switches and keyboards and how they will continue to evolve. But for right now, this board doesn't seem like I can do much else with it other than possibly mod it to have more foam inside and change out the keycaps. Enjoy the sound test and let me know what you think of the GamaKay TK75 Hall Effect keyboard down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.